Oh, hey guys, welcome back. One thing that happens the more you start doing digital design, the more you start seeing the world around you and the way artists use their graphic instincts to decorate every sign that you see. You're surrounded by sign. When I walk these hallways, I see a lot of posters hanging up all over the place. My brain can't help but think, I wonder how I could do that with Photoshop. What we are going to do this week is try and find a filter or some kind of overlay technique that will give us results similar to this poster hanging up in the hallway. I think it'll be quick and easy, just like last week, and we're gonna do it like this. The first thing you're gonna wanna do is take a picture of yourself doing something. You probably already have a picture on your phone that will suffice. You're gonna email that to yourself. You're going to somehow get it off of your phone onto the computer. And once you've done that, we can start manipulating it to get the results that we want. So here we are, inspired by the design of that volleyball poster. Let me come down here to Photoshop, open Photoshop. Just like last week, let's go to File, New. I'm going to convert this to inches. Let's do 12 by 12 with 150 resolution, grayscale, and if we need to crop, we can crop it later. I took 3 photos of myself. I've emailed them. I need to go to File, Open. You're only going to do this once. I think it's in my Download Portraits, Self-Portraits. Here we go. I'm trying to open all 3. Okay, so what I'm going to want to do is drag these into my grayscale picture. There's one. Close that. Nope, don't save. This one. Nope, don't save. This one. Don't save. Okay, let me turn these eyeballs off and just concentrate on one picture at a time. I know I don't need this. I know I do want to save some of my backgrounds for this assignment. I don't want this. I am changing the backdrop for the Legally Blonde Junior play. All right. I know that I want to keep some of this background. Everybody's picture is a little bit different, but I think for this, since it's mostly straight edges, I'm going to use the polygon lasso tool. I'm going to keep this part of the stage. I know that I'm going to want all of this background to be white. So with a pencil tool, I'm just going to color it in like that. Let me look at this picture. This is from the video I just made. I'm going to enlarge this a little bit. Zoom in. And just like the last picture, I want to keep some of this background in there and use a lot of white. So let me outline around myself using the lasso tool, and let me color all of this in white. Zoom out, color that white. That's pretty good. I've got one more picture, and please remember that you've only got to do one. You do not have to do 2 like me. This will be another easy one because I think I'm going to keep the background plain like that. Zoom out, edit, transform, scale. How big can I make this? Okay, that's pretty good. Let me fill this in white, and now we're moving on to the next step. It's funny, I'm here reminding you every few seconds that you only have to do this once, but I'm showing you 3 different examples. I want to bump up the contrast, make this a real, almost black and white picture. That's good. I had to bump up the contrast twice on that one. Image adjust, brightness contrast, image adjust, brightness contrast. Maybe I can hit that again. Drawing inspiration from the volleyball poster. It appears to be covered in paint splatter. So let me go to Google, and in the image search, let me type in paint splatter pattern. And if I go to images, you'll see a whole lot of different options. A whole lot of options. I don't want any white showing. Let me look at some of these examples. This one has watermarks all over it. This one does not. Let me go to Edit, Copy, Edit. Now, if you're wondering what happened, it's because we are still in grayscale mode. So let me go to Image. I need a color mode. I need either RGB or CMYK. Let's do RGB for this assignment. Don't merge. Our splatter picture did not turn colorful. It wouldn't, because Photoshop thinks it was already black and white. So let me paste it again. Edit, copy, paste, and now it's in color. I can throw this black and white version away. I'm going to call this one Paint Splatter. And I'm going to do this 3 times. Edit, transform, scale. Get rid of that Shutterstock. I'm going to make this my own. I'm going to call this Paint Splatter 1. I'm going to copy it. Paint Splatter 2. Paint Splatter 3. Copy it. And I'm going to drag 1 under here, 1 under here, and 1 under here. Oh my gosh, we are so close to being done. Oh, I forgot a step. I hate it when I do that. Let me type my name in black. Let me type Mr. Pen, Digital Design 2023. I hope I spelled it right. I need to make all of these smaller so they fit. Click on Mr. Pen, get the type tool back. Turn these eyeballs off. Merge visible. Now, since I want to drop these on all 3 pictures, let me make 2 more copies so I have 3 versions of it. Okay. That one's not too bad. Merge down. That one's not too bad. Merge down. It would make sense to make this font white. Image adjust invert. There we go. I feel like I'm reminding you of this every 30 seconds, but you only have to do 1 picture like this, or like this, or like this. What you're going to do next is turn these layers on, and the name of this assignment was overlay. I think I might be wrong about that. You're going to go up here to kind, and if you do dissolve, darken, multiply, turns it into a transparency, color burn, linear burn, darker burn, lighten, screen, color dodge, vivid, linear, pin, hard mix, difference, exclusion, subtract, divide, hue, saturation, color, luminosity. We want to get rid of any suggestion of black and white. So just for the sake of this assignment, I want you to experiment with these and see which ones you like better. Color dodge, screen, see which one works best for you. I think I might like that one better as a screen. I'm going to crop it, file, export, export as, save it as a JPEG, export, screen, overlay to, Save it, send it to me in Canvas. I think I might like screen better on this picture. Crop it. File. Export. Export as a JPEG. Screen. Overlay. Save it. Save it as a JPEG. Send it to me in Canvas. Let me look up here and look at color dodge. If you have done that, you can crop it, file, export, export as, make sure you save it as a JPEG, color dodge, overlay, save it, export it as a JPEG, save it as a JPEG, send it to me in Canvas. I can't wait to see what you turn in. See you next time. Bye.